Do you know how the resistance of a wire is affected by the temperature? We'll find this out using the setup shown. The setup consists of a ray box lamp connected to a DC power supply via a rheostat and an ammeter. The ammeter measures the current flowing through the tungsten filament of the lamp. The voltage across the filament is measured by a voltmeter. Start with a small current. Adjust the rheostat to increase the current flowing through the tungsten filament slowly. Record pairs of voltmeter and ammeter readings. Then, plot a graph of voltage against current. Find out how the resistance of the filament is affected by its temperature.